Tridib and you're watching a brand new episode of Learn with Tridib. In this episode, we will learn how to create block-based typography art in Procreate 5X. In this video, I will use Letter and Grid Builder, a product by Barnard and Stefan Kunz. The link will be there in my description section. So without much ado, let's get started. That's all folks. Hope you liked the video and observed how easily we could create high-class lettering in Procreate 5X. If you liked the video, kindly like, share and comment on the video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all our upcoming notifications. Till we meet again with a new video, goodbye and God bless.